In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Trust Wallet to connect to Baked Beans Miner and deposit using Trust Wallet, because some of you reached out to me and said that you use Trust Wallet, so you wanted a tutorial for that. Okay, so here goes. So first, let me just go ahead and open Trust. Okay, so in Trust Wallet, your BNB coin, it's actually this one here, because I know I see this one as well, but that's not the one. Okay, this one here is the right one, the one that says Smart Chain. So that's the one that you want to deposit your BNB or buy BNB into to use for baked beans. So once you have your BNB inside of your Trust Wallet, all you're gonna do is go to Dapp's, okay, and then in this URL space here, in this URL space, you're going to put in my URL that I gave you, okay, for baked beans. So if I paste it in here, and then I hit my enter or whatever it is on your keyboard, I go to the site. All right, so once I'm on this site, what I'm gonna do is first change my network. See, by default it's on Ethereum, so I click on this and I'm gonna select the Smart Chain. Okay, so I click on that and now I'm on the right network. See the Smart Chain symbol. So now I'm gonna click on connect. There we go. And then I'm going to click on connect. There we go. So I deposited a little bit of BNB in here just to show you guys how to do this. I don't use Trust Wallet, I use MetaMask, but you can use Trust Wallet if you want. Okay, so here it's just showing me my BNB in here. If I want to now deposit, I just enter the amount of BNB that I'm looking to deposit in here. I'll just do 0025 for this example here. Okay, so if I do that and I click on baked beans, right, then it's going to do that. So I'm just gonna click on baked beans. Okay, then I'm gonna click on approve. All right, so I can see that it is now done. Okay, so now all I'm gonna do to see the amount of beans I have, I'm just gonna reload this page. So if I click here, these three dots, I can click reload, and then boom, voila, here you go. Here's the amount of beans that I just did. So just showing you this example is very easy to use Trust Wallet to connect over to baked beans. And this is your referral link in case you want to invite anyone to the baked beans platform. Okay, this is the rebake here. So every 12 hours, you're going to come here and click on rebake. Once a week, you can click on eat beans if you would like to. Okay, reach out to me for the compounding chart if you don't have it, and I'll share that with you. All right guys, so I just wanted to keep this video short and sweet and straight to the point. So if you have any questions, message me on Telegram, and you can check out some of my other videos on the screen. All right, take care guys, bye bye.